managed to sneak onto the trailer. Welcome home, Vegas. When they come in, they're severely traumatized and not that keen to come near people for quite some time. I think Barkley thinks he's the ranch manager. He kind of acts as a bridge between me and the horses. He'll just be the first animal straight up to them, and they never seem that worried about meeting him. And I don't know what it is Barkley tells them, but it's not a choice. He absolutely insists that you're his friend. And the funniest part about this, he eats with them, and it's like alfalfa and orchard grass, so it's not anything a dog wants to eat. I honestly think it's like, oh, if a horse does it, I have to do it because then I'm a horse. He hugs her every single time he sees her. He jumps up and he puts his arms around her. It is just the most amazing thing. He is best friends at the moment with Lulu the lamb. He serves an amazing purpose here, you know, in terms of making them feel welcome, making them feel, you know, okay.
Now that's a happy dog right there.
It's fulfilled me in a way that nothing external ever has. Kind of bringing a horse back to life and back to health is just such a privilege.